In this Zotero tutorial, I will talk about the process of syncing your Zotero library with your online account. This process backs up your references and provides access to references from any internet-connected device. Once you have opened your Zotero desktop app, open the Preferences panel from the main menu bar. Select the Sync tab from the Preferences panel and enter the username and password you use to register for the Zotero service at www.zotero.org. If you have not yet registered for an account, you should do so before continuing. Once you have entered your Zotero username and password, press Set Up Syncing. Depending on the current size of your Zotero reference library, the initial sync could take from a few seconds to many minutes. In addition to providing access to and backing up your Zotero references across the Internet, setting up Zotero syncing will allow you to access shared group libraries set up through the Zotero website.